This is Easy Tutorials.
Hello from Easy Tutorials. Today I'm gonna learn you how to make start button go fast like mine. Like this. First, go to run and type regedit. Regedit. And in registry editor, go to HKey current user. Now expand this and expand control panel and expand desktop. Don't expand desktop, just click on desktop and find menu show delay and click on modify, and in default settings will be 400, but you say to 0 and click OK. And now you will see that you must restart your computer, and when you restart computer you will see that your start button is fast like mine. Like this. Goodbye from Easy Tutorials.